8 packets of brown sugar were seized from a particular person on the Maruti ECCO vehicle coming from Manu to Ambassa on Saturday night with the help of the secret information. Ambassa police arrested one person at the incident. His name is Aha Alam. On Saturday evening, Ambassa police has received a secret information about the brown sugar which is being brought on a Maruti ECCO vehicle coming from Manu to Ambassa. Immediately after the information, Ambassa police on duty initiate a vehicle checking at the Upanagar Naga point. At that time, ECCO vehicle arrived at the checkpost. 8 packets of brown sugar were seized from a particular person on a Maruti ECCO vehicle. Ambassa police arrested one person at the incident. His name is Aha Alam from Telemura Chakmaghat village. The market value of the seized brown sugar is approximately rupees 2.5 lakh, said the police.
Ini sanja jarawa, 7:30 साइड बाय कैसा खबर फायो जे पुफुर कालारनि कैसा इको गारि मनु साइड चिं आम्बासा साइड बाय फाइ दङ नै ओ गारि बिसिङो हिरोइन दङ नै खबर तिन र ओंखायनो खबर मान लगे लगे जों आम्बासा थानानसिम उपनगर नागाव फाइखा अर फाइ जों ओ गारि नासिं दंहा ओंखायनो औनो सात-सापर जों फाइमान सात-सापर ओंखायनो कैसा बरक बनो सन्देहङै बन बेग चेक खायनायफोर ओंखायनो बन बेग बिसिङाव 8टा साबान केस उगुमाव ब्राउन सुगार मानखा
ओंखाय बिन बुं तामो किचा
बन बुं ओंखायनो साहा आलम मिया बुहान मुं जबर मिया नं ओंखायनो चाकमागात थाना तेलेमुरा
ओंखाय बाजार मुलो बुसोगाबन
बाजार मुलो अनुमान 2.5 लाख.
Police will present him to the court on Sunday under the Act of NDPS and by making an FIR. Police are not investigating the case. Who else are involving in this matter? Reported by Shekhar from Ambassa, Chini, Khorang.